fucking yeah, boy. This is how to install an Origin Lab kit on your S13. So this is a Origin Labs stylish kit. Super fucking sick, dude. No fake shit. We got tag on there. You already know what's good. Shit's sick. Off-brand duckbill, Rocket Bunny style shit. I'm just gonna throw it on for now. This is the John. Look at the fucking John, bro. Clean guy. Clean. Here's the inside. Takata harnesses. Fucking blast pipes in there, dude. Got my homie. And bullshit. Alright, since this thing is kind of a piece of shit and I don't really give a fuck about it and I'm not really gonna run it for that long, I'm just gonna spray bomb this shit fucking silver so it matches the car for now. Got myself some fucking awesome Ford colors over here, you know? Because they don't fucking carry Nissan colors at Advance Auto. Fuck them. Go ahead and shake it up. Dude, this might look good, or it might look like shit. It's a 240 anyways, all of them look like fucking shit. There's a high chance, dude, that this is about to be uneven as fuck. Like how you're just painting on someone's fucking door. This is over here swiveling on the fucking joints. First coat's done. Looks kind of like dick, but whatever. This is only the start. We'll see how it turns out. When that's drying, it's time to give like a walk around in the car. So this is a 1989 S13 with a 91 swap. Runs like shit right now, but what 240 doesn't. At least I have a semi-tucked wiring harness, kind of bunched up over there. It's all right. Looks kind of good. Purple was not done by me. Previous owner looks kind of decent. Let's talk about these kicks. Weds, Crons, ERM, 18 by 9.5, 30 offset in the front, and 40 offset in the rear. Fucking date, Mick Dix. Started raining. And got more fucking paint because one can's not enough. Fucking retard, right? Yeah. Classic sandwich, yo. Look at this shit. Fucking classic. Yeah. Crack. Whoa, listen to our burn, mate. Yo, turn that shit in there, bro. Look at this fucking dude, bro. Woo! Woo! Let's go! Yo! Damn, son. Damn, son. That a fucking cunt, mate? Fucking right, mate. Fucking spray that shit down, mate.
It's gonna look like good, and then the rest of your car is gonna be like not this good.
We got a fucking issue! Issue! Motherfucking crash bar gotta come off, boy. What size is for the crash bar?
14 and 13.
Fuck. Alright.
I feel like white shoes wasn't the best idea that I've ever had.
Well, she looks pretty good. Gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with the fucking turn signies. Maybe put stock housings here. Well, no. I have to get 180SX. Or Type X ones to fit here. Or, yeah. But what I'm saying, yo, we can take like the stock housing and then put it like right in this area. Like kind of like drill holes and just zip tie it to have it held up a little bit. Fuck it, but no, this shit looks tough. Hell yeah. Fitment's pretty nice. Sweet. I don't know. And boys, check that shit out. Look at that. Bumper fit's pretty nice. This is why you buy real shit, bro, not that fucking Chinese shit. You want your stuff to fit fucking good. No 180 turn signals for now. I'm just using the stock ones off the pig nose front bumper. Just keep it mounted there. Gotta order them shits. Oh well. But yeah, just like every other 240, This shit is zip tied on for now. Fuck it, dude. I'm waiting till I get my fiberglass fenders to mount it up right. Fuck it. But she looks good. Finished painting. Duckbill looks decent. It's shitty looking, but it's decent for now. This is not gonna last too long, hopefully. Oh mate, let's see how she fucking fits, mate. Oh shit, mate. Ooh, mate. Oh shit, mate. Mother Nature's a little bit pissed. I don't know, eh? Fucking A. Hey, mate.
Yo, we need
Mate.
Where's the masking tape at?
Why? Hey? Until I get like a GTR wing or like a D-Max wing. That looks sick though, because like...
It matches like pretty good.
Yeah.
And like it looks just as shitty as the rest of the
Yeah, like it looks just as shitty as the rest of the car. So it's like... Which makes it like alright, you know what I mean? Like this feels texturized. Do you feel this?
Yeah, I know. I think we put the clear on too soon. If you put clear on still wet paint, it fucking...
Yeah. I mean, worst case, I could just get more clear and just fucking like...
Like how it molds into the tail light, so.
Yo, maybe I should just run it without the fucking rear bumper so it has the X's and shit.
Now, yeah, so you don't have to run the blast pipes to sound like...
Yeah, it sounds like Dookie when I fucking put the blast pipes on. People already think I'm an asshole for owning this car, so... That's it. She's on. Evan! Now so it fits a little bit better, but...
Is that fucking orchard lab there?
You guys should fuck off because this is like the tightest fucking shit I've ever seen. You see this fucking 240, bro? What car do you know looks like this? You don't know shit. Yeah, shut the fuck up. Boys. We got a little bit fucking crazy. This is a diffuser off of FD RX-7. Fits pretty nicely on here. It looks fucking nuts, but it doesn't really mount up so smoothly. So, just an idea. It's fucking nuts looking. Yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah.
I'm kind of over this. I don't want to crash.
Wait, mate. She's on. Woo. So back bumper did not fit because of the exhaust, so instead of painting the blast pipes on, because that shit sounds really fucking bad and annoying, just do no bumper in the rear. Looks pretty good. Okay. Badass. Good fucking day, mate. Origin Lab kit installed with fucking knockoff rear rocket bunny diffuser. Yeah, mate. Thank you.
Would it make any difference at all if I never existed?